But if I have to sacrifice my senatorial ambition for Peter Obi to win, so shall it be. Let us not miss this opportunity that God Himself is providing. Obi matter is not about PDP or APC or SDP or any other party. It's about Nigeria. You are many, you have the population. But thank God from what is unfolding. Peter Obi is a species that is not bounded by ethnicity. And that is why when I hear some prominent Igbo personalities castigating Peter Obi for contesting election, is it not you Igbos that have been saying that you have been marginalized since after the war? Opportunity have come today and you're still complaining. What do you want?
Welcome to Open Whispers channel. Autumn says, I am ready to sacrifice my senatorial ambition for Peter Obi. But he asks a critical question for the Igbo nation. Where do you stand? And to Nigeria at large, this is not a time to sit on the fence. 2 days to the presidential election, Nigeria is crumbling, kneeling, and with some people, their legs and their knees on the necks of ordinary Nigerians. Where do you stand? Now in Peter Obi, you have a man with him and Dati Ahmed who are willing to lead Nigeria out of the dark ages that religion, tribalism has placed us. And like this, you've heard, if you want to be a slave to religion, if you want to be a slave to ethnicity, and you subject capacity, truthfulness to mediocrity, then you are on your own. Nigeria is at a critical time of her history. Where do you stand? Peter Obi says, I will take you from consumption to production economy. But some people says, it is my turn. Why? The other person says, I am a unifier. But the question is, if you are a unifier, when the Igbo says it was their turn, after the North stayed in office for almost 8 years plus, and you had to thwart your party's PDP's constitutional arrangement on zoning because of your own selfish interest, where do you stand? Is it somebody who says, here I am, my record speaks for itself, I am clean, I don't support corruption, go and verify everything I've said? Nigerians, we present to you Peter Gregory Obi, somebody who can lead us out of these dark ages. Autumn says, I am willing to sacrifice for Peter Obi. 25 past political chairman says, we are supporting Peter Obi. Where do you stand? The time to speak out is now. See something, say something, and please do something with your PVC. The politicians are at it again. They are giving palliatives. Remember the NSAS palliatives? Remember the COVID palliatives? Now it is coming out. This is what they are using to shortchange ordinary Nigerians. Instead of the cash that is not available, they are now giving palliatives. Shine your eyes, Nigerians. Let us vote Peter Obi. Come Saturday, February 25th, 2023. A new Nigeria is possible. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and please share the video. Until we meet again in the arena. This is Chris IGBOS. Cheers.